This video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the built-in Windows Firewall. Now, the Windows Firewall is helpful in most cases, but if you're on a domain network or you've got a firewall at your house that you know is secure, and maybe you're having some trouble scanning or something from an HP device or something, you may want to disable your firewall as maybe part of troubleshooting or just disable it altogether. To do that, we're going to go into the control panel here. If you have this set as category, you can change your view to large icons here. Now, this is Windows 7. This should work for Windows Vista. Actually, no, I take that back. This is changed from Windows 7, but this should work with Windows 8. I'll post another video on how to do this in Windows Vista. But we're going to select the Windows Firewall here, and as you can see, mine is on. I am not attached to a domain. If you were attached to a domain, you would have a third option here. You'd see home, you would see domain. Actually, I think domain network would show up first. Domain, then home, and then public networks. Now, we can individually turn these off. Now, I would always recommend to keep the firewall on when you're on a public network. That way, if you're at Starbucks or something, or any other public Wi-Fi place, you want to keep your firewall on to secure your computer. But all we're going to do is go over here on the left side to turn Windows Firewall on or off. And I'm going to turn mine off here. And just click OK. Now immediately it's going to freak out and tell you, oh, you're not using recommended settings. All right, and if little x's bother you, even though you know that the firewall's off, you don't want it to continue to tell you down here in the notification center, which I hate little x's. We can click on the open action center here and just turn off messages about Windows Firewall. And we can also ignore anything else that we are aware of that we don't want to be constantly nagged about. And that's how to turn off your firewall. And I hope that helps you.